Title of this video is Welcome to Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria, where a Boko Haram member will be arrested, detained for a few days, and of course, sent for rehabilitation, and afterwards, they will inject him into the society. Meanwhile, also, I want to welcome you to Nigeria, where an innocent person that is just fighting for freedom, will be arrested and detained for so many years. That is Nigeria for you. I just want to ask a very innocent question. The question I want to ask is this: why is Nigerian government still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? This is a man that is fighting for freedom. All over the world, he is a freedom fighter. Why is it that Nigerian government is keeping him in custody for no good reason? This is also the same case that the appeal court has discharged and acquitted. Now, they have started the case all over again. Why are they so keen about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and keeping him in custody endlessly? And on the other hand, they will arrest a terrorist, detain the terrorist for some days or weeks, send him for rehabilitation, then further inject them back into the society, deploy them into the military, deploy them into the navy, recycling terrorists into the system. So at the end of the day, the terrorist that has been maiming lives, burning churches, burning houses, kidnapping people on the highway, demanding for ransom in exchange for their victims' lives. So people like that will be walking freely in the country. Who told you that Nigerian government is oblivious of the insurgency? Who told you that Nigerian government doesn't know how to counter terrorism? Where is NCC? The people that are doing this thing, they live in the bush, in Sambisa forest or wherever. I'm not even interested, right? So they live there, but they communicate with telephones. They will communicate with +234. They are communicating with +234. Who is selling the SIM card to them? The telecommunication companies can track them down. The telecommunication companies can monitor their call and track them down. Why is it that Nigerian government is not doing that much? How many more blood are going to be shed? How many more heads are going to roll? Why is it that Nigerian government, who is funding terrorism in Nigeria? How are they buying their ammunitions? They are using Hilos SUV. Who is supplying the Hilos to them? Who is supplying the ammunitions to them? Who does that? Who is supplying the ammunitions to them? How can Nigerian government possibly say that they are oblivious of terrorism or the source of terrorism or the roots of terrorism in Nigeria? Why is it that the terrorists are working and living freely, doing whatsoever pleases them, and they are holding an innocent man that is just saying, let my people go? Why is it like that? The Fulani herdsmen that are taking lives in the bush, in the farm, who told you that they don't communicate with phone? Who told you that they don't communicate with telephones? Where is NCC in this? Why are they chasing up frivolities? That is what I want to know. Why is it that they cannot do the right thing? Why not mandate the telecommunication companies to track these people down? People are being unalived on a daily basis. Nigeria has become a place where they are selling body parts. They will just, once they ask for ransom and you are not providing it, they will chop you into pieces and supply you. Who is buying? Who is selling? They communicate with phone. Who is deceiving who in this? Why are they keeping an innocent man and the real culprits of terrorism are all over the place living their good lives? Why is it like that? It's irritating and worrisome. It's just a thought that's welling up in my heart. I don't know whether you share in my sentiments. I'm very optimistic that they are going to do the needful and that they are going to do it on time. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Please trend it in the comments. Share this video. Let it go viral. Trend it in the comments. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Well, this is just a thought that went up in my heart. I thought I should talk about it. What do you think? Do you share in my sentiments? I'd like for you to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button. Favorite this video, repost it and share it with all your contacts. Share this video massively. This is where I'm going to peg you today. Until I come your way some other time, see you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Once again, Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.